still hangs in silent air, a lonely face, unaware of all the steps they used to gleam, splitting moonlight, a forgotten dream. No one here to see the show, just dust motes in the faint blue glow. Then a shift, a subtle turn, more light ignites, the colors burn. Voices whisper, stack and climb, echoes lost in space and time. I'll split the dark for you, even when the music's through. 1,000 rainbows on the floor, waiting for you, and nothing more. Remember nights, a crowded floor, bodies moving, wanting more. Each bright reflection, quick and vast, a memory that couldn't last. Now shadows stretch and slowly creep, while all the world is fast asleep. But a new light starts to swell, a silent incandescent spell. More facets catch the fading day, chasing all the blue away. I'll split the dark for you, even when the music's through. 1,000 rainbows on the floor, waiting for you, and nothing more. Brass and crystal, cold and bright, dancing solo in the fading light. Defiance in each fractured ray, wishing for a brighter day. I'll split the dark for you, even when the music's through. 1,000,000 rainbows on the floor, shining for you, and nothing more. Every facet fires bright, flooding the room with pure delight. The prism turns, a slow ballet. The last gold rainbow fades away.